Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix the photo swipe option on TikTok. So if you can see, someone uploaded these videos, hey, that was me, and I can swipe through the videos. But sometimes this is not working. And then we need to do the next thing. Go to your profile, tap on the three lines right in the top and go to Settings and Privacy. From here, scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. From here, tap on Account and Profile and then tap on Profile Page. From here, tap on Other. Is your problem solved? No. And from here, tap on Need More Help. Now, it's important to tell TikTok what the problem is. You can say something like this. Then TikTok will send you this and then submit a ticket. Click on that. And then tell them again what your problem is. So copy the text, place it here and then do submit. Now TikTok will help you as quick as possible with a response about your problem. And this is the only way how we can fix this. Alright, if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And thanks for watching.